got it. What? It's gonna be fun. It's not gonna be fun. It's gonna be dangerous.
Nice and
which equals fun. Yeah, really fun.
One person she said one of them.
Wait. Damn it! Didn't work.
Trying to fart?
Trying to fart.
I already tried that.
I'm a firebender. What are you playing?
I am the principal.
We pretend that airplanes in the night sky.
Oh god, I love that song.
Oh my god.
No lighter fluid.
Say
That means we gotta make the fire bigger so we can see what it would and make it bigger.
add some lighter fluid.
Say
I'm gonna title this video "How to Make a Giant Bonfire."
And then scatter.
Scatter.
Run for the door! Run! Careful.
Wild us, please.
Just finding little.
You would
finding little spots to just stick it in there.
10 million fireflies lit up the world.
Fell asleep. That's exactly how we sound.
Make myself believe a planet Earth slowly. It sounds like he's opening his mouth really wide every time he says like, I like to make myself believe planet Earth.
I like that song.
Yeah, so do
I'm not saying it's a bad
It
song.
is a good song. It's
I'm just
like
saying
the way
it
you-
sounds
the way
like
you
his
sound.
mouth is really open wide.
Well, there's a reason for that.
You know, I can't believe my eyes.
Are you British?
Maybe. I just can't believe my eyes. Okay.
Lighter fluid.
Just like.
What about Moulin Rouge? Anybody know Moulin Rouge?
So we have to like.
No one knows Moulin Rouge?
Which
Wait,
one?
the ones with Christina in them?
Christina?
Christina.
No, Moulin the movie, the actual, not just the song.
No.
Because you can.
That's all right.
I don't.
We still have to have these.
Lighter
What do
fluid.
we use it for?
Lighter fluid.
It's over there.
Lighter fluid. I said, went your direction. It went your direction.
Didn't work though.
Wait, did we really want to put lighter fluid on this?
Yeah.
Do it. Do it. Lighter fluid's over there. Do it.
I say fuck